Check out. And order. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode of RQ's Garage. It has been a cold day. We had a nice little snowstorm here in March in Ohio, but on today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review and an unboxing on the Dewalt Impact Driver. So I got this bad boy for Christmas, and it's been a long time and I've been busy, but I finally get the chance to open this up, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing video to see this product and what it has to offer. I've been wanting these for so long, and if you're watching this video, I know you might want one too. So let's see what comes in this Dewalt Impact Driver kit. Let's get after it. All right, so this is how I got the box when I opened it up for Christmas. It's got these little strong, I don't even know what these are called, but these little ties on them. So we'll get that guy off. And there's a third one. All right, and per usual, I'm gonna get this guy unboxed. So, an impact driver or a torque wrench. Well, an impact driver is really helpful when you're trying to loosen up those bolts that are nice and tight. You know, lug nuts, rusty bolts, you name it. It's definitely a must-have if you're working at home. So open it up, just like that. Box is empty. We have a nice little travel kit. This thing is well built, I'll be honest with you. It's nice, but that's how it comes in the packaging. We'll open it up. The inside looks like got some paperwork here. Let's see. We got two 20-volt batteries. So there's one, there's two. What else we got here? Got a charging kit that comes with it. So it looks like we have an indicator light on the charging kit, so we know when the battery is getting charged or when it's completed charging. And of course, here it is. We got our brushless motor impact wrench. All right, so it looks like we have the impact driver with us. There's only one setting on it, and it's actually pretty well built. I'd say this thing's probably around 2 pounds, give or take, when it comes to the weight, including the battery. So the impact driver looks very well built. It's very compact and small. This isn't the larger 1/2 inch. So this guy is the 1/4 inch torque driver from Dewalt. Has a great build quality. It's nice and compact, probably weighs around 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds, including the battery. The battery itself is 1.5 amps compared to the larger 5 amps that they have, where you can see the battery status. Whenever you engage the torque wrench, there's a nice little light that comes on, so at least it's giving you a visual of what you're impacting, which is kind of nice. It has variable speeds on it. As you engage the trigger, you can have different speeds as you're engaging. A brushless motor, so it's nice and efficient, and it's not going to get as hot. But let's go give it a test drive and try out some lug nuts and see how this guy can perform. Okay, well, I wanted to show you guys a little tutorial when using the impact driver, but turns out I don't have the proper attachment. Up on the screen right now is what that attachment should look like. It'll come in on a 1/4 inch torque driver, and on the other side we'll have that socket style, the 4-faced socket style, in order to put sockets on and actually use this guy. A couple things when it comes to dimensions. Got a ruler here. So this thing's about 9 inches tall, probably about, what, 5 inches wide, give or take. So it's pretty compact in terms of design. This guy has a max torque of 1,500 inch-pounds, not 1,500 foot-pounds. So it makes sense. It's a small guy, very compact. I have seen videos where this can loosen a lug nut, so it is possible. Again, I don't have the proper attachment for it, so a little awkward, but we'll get it figured out. Anyway, this guy is really nice. I want to give a shout out to my brother for giving me this for Christmas, so I appreciate this little Christmas gift, because My whole family knows I'm trying to make YouTube a big extension of my life, and it's slowly getting there, and these tools along the way will help. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you really liked it, please consider subscribing and smashing that like button so we can just keep growing RQ's Garage to be another great automotive channel, so we can teach, we can learn, we can save money, because that's what this channel is all about. Click over here to see my other videos if you wanted to learn about how to install a emblem on their car or how to do an oil change. But I'm Rami, this is RQ's Garage. I love you.